All right, problem 15 in paper 1 is an interest problem. And I'll tell you, this is a problem in part A that's very, very simple, and many people get incorrect because they don't really understand what simple interest is. Remember, the formula for simple interest is that interest is equal to principal times rate times time. This is not the PERT formula. This is not a compound interest problem. So, to find the exact amount she'll have in her account after 18 years, that's our part A, we're going to take our 12,500 euros and we're going to multiply it by 5%. Or you could write 5 over 100. I like to write 5%. And we're going to multiply that interest times 18 years. So this is the amount of interest she gets every year, and you're going to multiply it by 18 years. And then you're going to take the amount of interest that she earns, and you're going to add it onto the original amount that Veronica, is this our Veronica? Our Veronica started with 12,500 euros. And remember that it asks you to find out the amount she'll have in her account. So she's got the 12,500 in her account, and you're going to add on the interest. So for part A, the final answer is 23,750 euros. Units, people, please use units. Okay, now, in problem B, we do have interest that's compounded monthly. So we know that we're trying to figure out how we can end up with 25,000 euros. So we need to try to figure out how much we're going to invest. What principal value will we invest with interest compounded at 4% monthly? So the denominator 12 means that I'm compounding 12 times per year. I'm going to take my interest rate of 4%, divide by 12, but the number of compounding periods increases. I compound for 18 years, but I'm going to multiply that by 12 because I'm compounding every single month. So remember again, using the order of operations, what you're going to do is first divide 0.04 by, in fact, let me show you how to do this in your calculator. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to take 0.04 and divide that by 12. Now add 1. Raise that number that you got, so I've got my little, I did second answer, to the power of, and now in parentheses, I'm going to put, because I like parentheses, I'm going to put 18 times 12. Enter. 2.051974828. To get P, to solve for P, I need to take 25,000. I think I have too many zeros there, don't I? And divide by 2.051974828. So I'm going to divide by, and again I'm going to use my second answer. I haven't rounded anything yet. I'm using all the value in my calculator. And so what that tells me is that I need to invest $12,183.39. Correct to 2 decimal places. So make sure that you use the rounding convention specified in the problem, especially with money, and include our units of euros. And we have finished paper 1.